Hi Strike customers, Lindsay here, standing with a few of our new accessories for the Samsung Galaxy S25 range. So we've got the S25, the S25 Plus, all the variants covered. We've got cases, screen protectors, in-vehicle cradles. Let's take a closer look at the range now. Taking a look at our S25 range, we do have the S25, S25 Plus and S25 Ultra all covered. We've got in-vehicle charging cradles. We've got Strike rugged cases and also our tempered glass solutions. Tempered glass, pretty straightforward, a shield that will protect your device from any scratches and bumps along the road. We've got our S25 Strike rugged case here. So like the Plus and the Ultra versions as well, we've got a specific case, camera cutouts, all the buttons are obviously going to be lining up there, and a very rugged solution for your workplace. Taking a look at the Cradle, this is one of our flagship products, the Strike Alpha Cradle. We do have versions that accommodate different cases, such as the Strike rugged case. We've got versions with and without wireless charging as well. So it's going to come with our power supply, our swivel mount, and also here is the cradle itself. So if you're not familiar with Strike, our cradles are sold in professionally installed and also self-installation version. This is our professionally installed version, coming with a hardwired power supply and a dash mount. We do have a range of heavy-duty mounts by RAM, which we connect to the AMPS industry standard mounting platform here. So they're going to be things like heavy-duty arms, clamp bases, seat rail bases, and many more for all sorts of different environments. So as you can see, we've got our USB-C cable here. This is a USB-C version, which means it will have data pass-through for any customers using Android Auto, looking to get navigation or media playback through their head unit. We do have our inbuilt SMA antenna as well, so that's going to be able to connect to an external antenna such as the Strike B3 or the B3 Compact for extra signal gain in areas with poor cellular reception. So taking a look at the cradle, these are form-fit jaws that accommodate just this device, and we do have versions that accommodate larger form factors like cases. This cradle is available for order. As mentioned, S25 Ultra and S25 Plus also covered in the range, among a whole other host of Alpha Cradle scenarios. So if this is of interest to you, please reach out via the contact details below.